the hell it is, but it's like a antler, or not antler, ooh, there's like beetles in it. It's hooves and bones. Looks like a leg bone of like an elk or something. I probably shouldn't have touched that. Good old chicken center. I'm hungry. I want some chicken. Here I am, Chicken Alaska. Check out the chicken. Last night was wild. They got one bar here, and that's about it. A bar, a store, and a restaurant.
My name is Jody, the bartender at the local chicken saloon. Well, last night with the explosion, what we got is what we call the panty cannon.
I get nervous.
Just don't put that in. Make it big. With the cannon, we shoot out panties and bras. It's a local tradition that we carry.
That's a picture of y'all. Christmas card. How do you want to get in it? So the Christmas card. Perfect Only one. God, this takes so long.
Well, you want it to blow good, don't you? It's foreplay. You work up to the blast. 6,000 pairs of panties, big, small, medium, petite. Because it's not too often we get girls here. From the cannon, we could hear it about 5 miles away almost sometimes, and late at night.
We must have packed a heavy.
Come on, Ren.
Light her up.
I got your email address. Okay.
You want my email address, baby? We can hook up later. You get done with vacation.
What a long primer, eh?
Looks like it's
Time to walk.
I think it's a dud. Smoke bomb. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Hey, Chad, I got bad news.
We get the girls to sign these panties and we hang them up here on the wall and the ceiling. For example,
They're not as big as here, but they gang up. Baby, you have a thong now. Here, put this on.
Okay, let's stand by it.
High five. Cheers. Some more.